Today, we're going to talk about tmux, a terminal multiplexer that makes managing multiple terminal sessions a breeze. Whether you're a developer or a sysadmin, you'll find this tool incredibly useful for multitasking in the command line. With tmux, you can create, manage, and navigate between multiple terminal sessions. Split a single terminal window into multiple panes, allowing multitasking within the same window. Detach from a session and reconnect to it later, preserving the state of your work. Share terminal sessions with other users, which can be useful for pair programming or remote support. In essence, tmux enhances productivity by providing a more flexible and persistent terminal experience, making it an essential tool for anyone who regularly works with the command line. Before starting it, we need to install it in our Linux machine. Now, before we dive into commands, remember that every tmux command starts with the key combination Ctrl+B. You'll need to press and hold the Control key, then press B. After that, the magic happens. Want to create a new window? Press C after Ctrl+B, and voila, a new terminal window opens. To see all your open windows, press W. You can easily navigate through them by pressing N to go to the next window or P to jump back to the previous one. And guess what? You can keep switching between windows as often as you like. If you want to give a window a new name, just press the comma key, and you're ready to rename it. tmux doesn't just stop at multiple windows. You can also split your screen. If you press %, it splits the window vertically into two panes. Want a horizontal split? No problem. Press Ctrl+B, and type split. Now your screen will be split horizontally, making multitasking even easier. Let's talk about more advanced tmux features. You can create a new tmux session. A session can be detached from the terminal, meaning it will continue running in the background. So, even if you close your terminal or log out, the tmux session keeps running. Later, you can log back into your system, check for any running tmux sessions, and reattach to them, picking up exactly where you left off. This way, you never lose your terminal work, and there's no need to start over from scratch. That's just a quick overview of tmux. It's a powerful tool that helps you multitask, manage terminal windows, and keep your work safe, even across terminal logouts. Type tmux to start it. Initial Windows 0. Type Ctrl+B then % to split vertically. One can move left and right side by using left and right arrow keys. Remember, you have to press Ctrl+B keys prior to use. For horizontal split, press colon, then type split. Now let's get practical. We'll write, compile, and run a simple C++ program using tmux panes or windows. As you can see, tmux allows you to manage all these tasks in separate windows and panes, so you don't have to switch between terminal tabs or open multiple terminals. So, using tmux, you can write, compile, and run your C++ programs seamlessly across multiple windows and panes, while keeping everything organized and efficient. C to create a new window. To rename a window, here it is HAProxy. W to C windows. You can switch over from one to another by selecting it. Let's now get hands-on by demonstrating how to manage multiple services using tmux. We'll break the current window into 4 panes, and each will have a specific purpose. Out of these 4 panes, 3 will be used to create 3 separate servers running on different ports for our HAProxy setup. The 4th pane will be used to check the status of the HAProxy server. Note that the HAProxy server configuration will be discussed in a future video. In this example, we're using HAProxy simply to demonstrate the features of tmux. So, by splitting your terminal into multiple panes, you can efficiently run multiple servers and monitor their status, all within the same window. This is one of the many ways tmux can enhance your productivity. Session management is one of the important features. Let's check it. Opening a new session, backup. Running top at the terminal. Detaching session by pressing Ctrl B and D. tmux session is still running as a background process. Checking the tmux sessions running at the background. Reattaching a background tmux session. That wraps up our introduction to tmux. We've seen how powerful this tool can be for managing multiple terminal sessions, splitting windows into panes, and multitasking effectively. Whether you're running servers, coding, or compiling, tmux makes everything smoother and more organized. But there's so much more to tmux than just window and pane management. For example, you can create multiple tmux sessions for different projects, detach them to run in the background, and reattach later to pick up right where you left off, without missing a beat. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.